In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you need to open up your settings, then go into General, then scroll down and hit transfer or reset iPhone, and there tap on reset, not on erase all content and settings, but on the first option, reset. And now you got bunch of different options. You can reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset home screen layout, and reset location and privacy. And you can reset all that options at once by tapping on reset all settings. That action don't erase your data, it's just reset settings on that device. So tap on that and confirm that action by entering your passcode, and then settings on your device will be resetted. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.